Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Seeni sambol. This recipe needs few ingredients, and you can do this at home very easily. Let's start. First I am going to soak 1 tablespoon of tamarind in 1/4 cup of hot water, and keep this aside. Then I am taking 500 grams of onion and cut them into small pieces. Don't cut them into too small pieces or too large pieces, cut them in the size as you can see on my video. Write me here in the comments below, where you watching from, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. Now I am taking back the tamarind and squeezing them in the hot water. Then strain it by using a strainer to remove the undissolved parts. Here I am adding spices to the cut onion, 1 tablespoon of crushed chilies, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of vinegar, some pandan leaves, some curry leaves, and 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice, which we prepared before. Then mix them well until onion covered with all spices. If you still watching the video, you are loving my recipe. If you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this recipe. Now keep the pan on the cooker in medium heat, and add 2 tablespoons of oil. And add 3 or 4 pieces of cardamom, and some cinnamon, and cook them little bit. Again I am adding 1 tablespoon of crushed chilies, and fry them for few seconds. Then add 1 tablespoon of chopped Maldives fish, and mix them well. Now it's time to add the onion into the pan. After a couple of minutes, make sure you reduce the flames into low heat. We are going to fry the onion in low heat. Mix them well and close the lid for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid and mix them again, and close it for another 2 minutes. You have to continue doing this in every 2 minutes. Approximately 15 minutes you have to continue this, until color changes to light brown. After 15 minutes, turn off the stove, and keep it on the stove for another 15 minutes. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.